I'm gonna learn Tulu from scratch in 1 year. This is by no means an easy language for me to learn. I'm in the United States. There's not many Tulu people around here who I can be talking to. It's not an officially recognized language, so there's not a lot of resources online to help me learn this. There's no Google Translate, nothing like that. So it's going to be a challenge for sure, but those reasons are why I really want to learn it. It will be so cool to learn a language here in America that's spoken in such a small part of the world, like all the way on the other side of the world. In a year, if I can go there and speak to people fluently, I think that would be the coolest thing ever. So I'm going to learn the language. I'm going to post videos of my progress on the way, and I'll show how I learned the language. Now I realize there are ways I can learn this language, and I'll make videos later on how I can learn it and how other people, maybe if you're in India and you want to learn Tulu, I'll post videos of how I'm doing that and show other people how they can do it, because I think it's important to bring a lot more recognition to a language that doesn't really get it but deserves it. I mean, there's so many famous people in India who come from Tulu background, and the list can go like on and on. But more than that, I think Tulu Nad is a great place just to visit. So it's one place that I really want to go, and learning the language will help me communicate with people there. And you might be thinking like, oh, it's kind of pointless that you're learning a language with so few people who actually speak it. Like, what's the point? Well, a series of things drew me to the language. It was kind of obscure things that led me here, but I like to think that everything that happens has a reason behind it, and for that, it led me to this point. I've gotten so much support from my last video where I just mentioned Tulu that I figured I have to learn this language now. I have to make it an official thing. So I'm doing that. I mean, when I first tried learning some Kannada, I actually didn't really meet any Tulu or any Kannada people, but the people who I did meet that knew Kannada actually spoke Tulu as their native language. And for that, it kind of drew me towards that language. And I've had past things in my life too that just have seemed coincidental that made me figure, oh yeah, this has got to be. It's meant to be. Back when I was at the beginning of high school, I thought, oh, I'm going to make like a flag for myself or a symbol that I can use everywhere. So I created this on PowerPoint, and I've been using this like throughout school, kind of just like wherever, just to show that's my own personal flag. And then when I learned about Tulu and started learning about it, look at the Tulu flag. I mean, it might be just a coincidence, but I like to think I'm going to learn this language now. From here, I will keep you updated. I'll make videos that show how I'm learning, and yeah, wish me luck. Mast somelu boka tikka.